Let's check in with meteorologist Kat Taylor for a look at that. Kat.
Yeah, Deb, from corner to corner in Cakeland, we had a big difference depending on where you lived. 73 for a high in El Dorado, 44 in St. Francis, and that's going to continue to change as we go throughout the night. In Wichita, we're already down to 53. We have west winds around 6 miles an hour. The cold front, once that wind goes to north, that's the cold front making it through Wichita, and we're going to cool down rather rapidly after that. 40s by 8 p.m., 45 by 10 p.m. as those north winds start to kick in a little bit. Satellite and radar showing that we've got rain showers developing in western Kansas, but all of this is part of a much larger winter storm system that's hanging out in the desert southwest. That's going to be making its way into Cakeland tonight through Saturday morning. But that's only one of 3 winter systems on the way this week. That's coming up in your forecast in just a few minutes.
Your Cake First Alert Forecast with meteorologist Kat Taylor.
We are cooling down in Wichita right now. Here at Cake Studios, we're starting to see increasing cloud cover, although you can't see it right now. 57, west winds around 3 miles an hour. And as those winds start to switch around to the north, that's when the cold front's making its way through. So I think it's right over top Wichita right now. You can see the front already through Hutchinson, Pratt, and then it's not quite through Medicine Lodge, Winfield, Arc City, or El Dorado yet, but it is going to move through, and then we'll really see these temperatures cool down very quickly. Again, it's 53 in Wichita right now, 47 in Salina, 45 in Garden City, and then we've got mid-30s already this evening there in northwest Kansas. We're also looking at rain beginning to form in western Kansas. So let's take a look at the Cake First Alert Doppler HD. We got rain and snow trying to pop up here near Sharon Springs. And right now this is going to be very light. It may even be just drizzle with maybe a flake or two trying to mix in. Some light sprinkles from Ulysses up to Lake in there in southwest Kansas. But this will increase as we go through the evening. By 10 p.m., we're starting to see some heavier rain showers in the northern half of the state. Rain changing over to snow there in northwest Kansas. And then through the night, we'll see increasing rain showers for south central Kansas. Now, this isn't going to be a solid rain or a solid snow. I think it's going to be more showery. And we're talking about very light snow by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning in northwest Kansas. Now, through the day, we will watch that freezing line creep ever so slowly to the southeast, and with that is going to be the snow. So we're watching that wintry mix changing over to snow by about 9 p.m. tomorrow evening for Wichita. The heaviest snowfall of the day will most likely happen at this point. You can see these bright whites here on our NAM model, and that's going to be around 9 p.m. in north central Kansas, close to the Nebraska state line. And then things are starting to wind down around 3 a.m. on Saturday morning. Finally done by 10 a.m. on Saturday. So it's going to be a long event, but very light precipitation. So right now, trace to 2 inches possible here in the white. The closer you live to the Nebraska state line, better chance you have at the 2 inches of snow. Right now in the pink, we'll see a wintry mix, but little to no snow accumulation. I think for Wichita, mostly rain, and at the very end of the event, we'll see that change over to snow, and then all rain there in the green. But this is only round 1. We've got round 2 on the way. This is going to be on Saturday night. So we see just a brief break during the day Saturday before more snow moves in. This little wave, I think, could actually have some heavier snow with it. It's going to be by 9 p.m. Saturday evening in western Kansas. This kind of swings through southwest Kansas into early Sunday morning. And then Sunday, when you're going to church, maybe a little dicey in Wichita with snow coming down at that point. And then things starting to calm down by about lunchtime on Sunday. Sunday afternoon, we see another break where we see a little bit of sunshine. Now, right now at this point, looks like we could see 1 to 3 inches in the blue. I think right now that does include Wichita, although any little shift in this could move a little bit. Trace to 2 inches possible. Now, this is round 2. Believe it or not, we have round 3 in your 7-day forecast, but it's too early to give you a forecast. So Wichita, south central Kansas, your forecast for tonight, a few light showers possible, overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. Tomorrow we see highs in the 30s and 40s. Wichita 44 around noon, and then dropping through the afternoon. Scattered showers, so not an all-day rain event, just off and on kind of throughout the day. And then we see that change over to a light wintry mix on Friday night, and then very light snow on Saturday morning. We see the break. Round 2 comes in Saturday night into Sunday morning. For south central Kansas, I think this is going to be the best time frame to actually pick up some accumulating snow. And then round 3 moves in on Monday night into Tuesday. So right now it all looks fairly light. Of course, things can change as we get throughout the week, so make sure you check back with us. Right now, highs appear to be ranging anywhere between 36 and 44 degrees over the next 7 days. For north central Kansas, tonight we see that's light rain and then a light wintry mix. Overnight lows in the 30s. Of course, the farther west you live, the better chance you have to see the mix as you wake up tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's highs in the 30s. We've got that most likely happening in the morning, and then we slowly drop throughout the afternoon. Rain and snow possible, generally on the lighter side. Now, the best chance to pick up snow for north central Kansas, I believe, is going to be in round 1 tomorrow night into early Saturday morning. We see that break. Round 2 is not going to be really much for north central Kansas. Saturday night, maybe some flurries if we're lucky. But then we have that round 3 coming in Monday night into Tuesday. Right now, highs appear to be in the 30s and 40s over the next 7 days. For western Kansas, we've got light snow tonight for northwest Kansas and light rain and snow off and on through the night. For southwest Kansas, overnight lows in the 20s and 30s, and this may be slow to come on. It may take a while to actually get some of that rain to the ground, some of those flakes to the ground into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's highs in the 30s. We see light rain and snow for southwest Kansas. Northwest Kansas, I think we're generally going to be all snow. But the best chance for snow right now appears to be Friday night, where we could see some snow coming down. We see that break Saturday. But another good chance for some snow in southwest Kansas. Best chance to actually pick up accumulations for southwest Kansas, I believe, is going to be Saturday night into Sunday, and then round 3 coming in Monday night to Tuesday, highs in the 30s and 40s. For northwest Kansas right now, we've got round 1 tonight through Friday night. I think we've got some light snow there, and then some light snow coming in on Saturday night, and then Monday night into Tuesday with the 3rd round. Now, right now, northwest Kansas, I think, equal chance on each of these rounds to actually pick up some snow. But of course, things can and probably will change, so make sure you check back with us frequently.